Hello, lovely people. Bless you for coming. Another update on our board. Yeah, so today I'm here to share with you a good news. Yeah, so you guys have been supporting me throughout this YouTube career, and I appreciate you guys a lot. So whenever I chance on a good platform like what I'm about to introduce to you, I got to let you guys know. Do you know you can be paid by just listening to music? Yes, there's a platform out there paying people to just listen to 20, 30 seconds music and they get paid in dollars. It is possible. I don't want to waste your time. Let's go to my PC and let me show you how this platform works. Hello, lovely people. Yeah, so we are on my PC and I'm about to take you through how this platform works. So when you chanced on the front page like this, you will see over here sign up login. So the sign up form that will come when you click on sign up is so easy to fill, like your name, your full name over here, your email and your password over. Then you tick this agree to terms and services, so you can read the terms and services and privacy policy. Then you click on sign up. I've already signed up, so I'll go back to home and I will use login. So with the login, I just have to enter my account details and password. Then boom, here brings me the dashboard of my account. So this is the dashboard of my account. So when you enter into your account like this, you will see some offers over here that you need to complete. Yes, so the offers brings money. So if you leave the offers, there's no way you're going to earn. And this is easy and simple offers that you can just match them off and get paid. So as you can see, I'm having 8.8 USD over here bonus song. So when you sign up, use the link below in my description or comment box to sign up, and you're going to get your first $5 when you sign up. And when you perform the tax, it is daily tax. So every day there will be at least some number of songs for you to like listen to. I think 5 or 4 songs. It depends for you to listen to, and I think you will spend only 20, 30 seconds on each song. That is so easy for you to earn. So this is how it looks like. And let's come back to this side. You have songs and radio. So when you click on songs and radio, you will see all the songs and over here. So as you can see, I've listened to the songs and I have other 3 featured offers that I can perform. So I'm done with today's music. So I just have to come back tomorrow and listen to the tax that they will give me tomorrow. So that is why it's saying return tomorrow for additional exclusive and paid songs. So I'll come back tomorrow and perform my task. Go and check here +3 featured offers. Let's click on that part and see what will come. So over here, complete offers below and increase your earning. Complete a full survey. Complete a full survey. So this is survey part that you can also complete, and that one too, it be easy to complete. Just click on this. Just for tutorials reasons, so I will not go that part. Let's check hottest song. If you want to listen to hottest songs, it will be shown over here to you as soon as you click on hottest songs. Then you can listen to the paid ones. Yes, so what will how will you notice that this song is paid or not? You see that um all the paid songs, you will see the amount over here instead of the time. You can see this song, the time designer. So you can see the time, 2 minutes 39 seconds. For these paid ones, you will see money at the end of it. Yeah, so that's it. So let's move on to the creator bonus. They have another option that is creator bonus, where it allows creators to like come up with a video as I'm doing, then you submit to them and you can earn up to $80 for doing that 4 to 10 minutes video. So let's listen. Let's read this. Creator bonus: a reward for creating your first rackstone explanation video. So explanation video as I do right now, and as you can see here, earn up to 80 by creating video ranging from 4 to 10 minutes in length and including your referral link in description. So that is how this whole creator tool works. So let's come back to home. That is dashboard. No, let's come back to my dashboard. Yeah, so we have refer and earn, where you can earn up to $50 plus. So you just have to copy your link and share it to your friends, share it on social media, and people who will sign up will help you increase your money on Rackstone. Rackstones, yeah, Rackstones. Yeah, so copy it and share. You can share it to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, X, everywhere that you can share it over there. And when you check your wallet, you're going to see your earnings over there as well. And if you want to know the number of people that you've invited, when you come to refer in and once you see the number of people that you've invited, you just have to check this side and you see I have 0 total invited, 0 active referral. So as you can see, so when you come back to your wallet, you're going to add your payment address. You want to choose your payment method so that when they are paying you, they will pay you through that particular payment gateway. We have PayPal here, we have Paye, here we have USDT, we have MasterCard, EcoPays, Google Play. Yeah, so over here you can only submit your address. Let's say I want to use PayPal. I can only submit my PayPal address only if I hit certain amount of money. So let me try and enter my PayPal over here and see what will happen. So let's press withdrawal. Yes, so as you can see, this is what it's saying. This is what it's saying. Payment not generated. You must reach $90 or more. So that be the threshold for withdrawal on this platform. So Charlie, this is a good platform, and I think you all should jump on it and let's like cash out on Rackstone. Rackstone, what I say? Yeah, so that be all. That be how the platform works. Easy to navigate around. Like it's so easy. The user interface is like user friendly, and you will not stress yourself like trying to perform your offers and holders balance here. And also you can use it on your mobile phone. You can open it on your mobile phone using your browser and you are good to go. Yes, so try it out and let me know your feedback when you get your first cash out. Thank you very much. And also for my people from Ghana who are struggling to like get PayPal or who are struggling to get any of the payment method, just hit me up. Just comment below in the comment section and I'll help you out how you are going to get your money out when you hit the threshold. Thank you very much for staying through to this end. I believe if you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment section. Anything that you don't understand, leave it below in the comment section and I'll be there to assist you. My name is Andy once again. I'm out. Bye-bye.